And then ta'awana, here, Brother Muhammad, it's reciprocal. When you say ta'awana, it means you cooperate with each other. Otherwise, you will not use this verb. Okay? Yata'awanu, ta'awan, and ta'awunun. Are you with me, brothers and sisters? You will have to practice. Huh? Inshallah, you will write down at home properly. Huh? Right now, you have come to the level where you can mentally do Madi, Mudare, Amar, Mastar without any difficulty. You can do it. But I will urge you to write it at home. That will make you even more strong. Tasa'ala. Amma yatasa'aluna. What is that, brother? That is Form 6. And you never knew that before. Huh? Okay? Tasa'ala, to ask each other. Huh? Yatasa'alu. Okay, brother and sister? Yatasa'alu, yatasa'alani, yatasa'aluna. Amma yatasa'aluna. Huh? What are these people asking each other for? About what they are asking each other? That's the meaning, asking each other. You know. Fine, brothers and sisters. Tashajara. Yatashajaru. Amar, tashajar. And mastar, tashajurun. Very simple. If you think about it, it's very simple. Anything that you missed? To quarrel. Okay? To quarrel. Tashajaru. To fight. Are you with me, brothers and sisters? Inshallah. Now, brothers and sisters. So, tasha jara means to quarrel. Now, you quarrel with somebody. Are you with me? Fine. Now comes the next verb. Tabaka. Brother Muhammad, what is tabaka? You pretend. See? It becomes very clear. Pretend what? To cry, brother. You're really pretending to cry. You're not hurt, you know. So, tabaka, yatabaka, and then tabaka without ya. Got the idea? What will be the mastar? Tabakin. Now, you know how we got the mastar. Shall I explain you one more time? I will explain you one more time. Inshallah. Mastar, brother and sister, from Form 5. If the verb is naqis, it will become taba ku yun. Are you with me? Taba ku yun. Fine, brother. Now there is a ya, and before it there is a dhamma. Ya and dhamma are not compatible. So you give it a kasra. Are you with me, brothers and sisters? Now we have a kasra before ya. Mankus. So I have to drop this, and I have to drop this. Okay? So what shall I do? I give a compensatory kasra. So what is the result now? Tabakin. You should have a clear-cut idea now, inshallah. Tabakin. You should have a clear-cut idea about this, inshallah. Are you with me, brothers and sisters? How did you arrive at tabakin, which was originally tabakuyun, tafa'ulun, takathuru, takathurun. Now the next one is ta'ama. See, Brother Muhammad? Ta'ama. He pretended to be blind. So the meaning will become very clear from the verb when you look at it. There is nothing confusing here. All very clear. The next one, brothers and sisters. Ta'ama, yata'ama, ta'ama, and then ta'amin. Bas, masha. Alhamdulillah. Brother, I want you to understand this method of Naqis verbs so that when you stand up and teach, inshallah, you'll explain to the student in a very nice way and becomes very clear. Otherwise, the student is at loss. How does all these changes take place? Doesn't make sense unless you explain it properly, inshallah. Next one, number 4, brother. Hati asma al-fa'ilina min af'al al-atiyati. Now we have to make ism fa'il. Tafa'ala. What is the meaning of tafa'ala? To be optimistic. What is the mudariya? Yatafa'alu. And what will be the ism fa'il? Mutafa'i. First time the kasra will come. Optimistic. Tasha'ama. It is opposite of tafa'ala. So what will be the meaning? Pessimistic. Tasha'ama is pessimistic. Okay. Yatasha'amu and then mutasha'imun. Make sure you write properly. Okay. Mutafa. As you say E, the Hamza got a chair of Ya. Got the idea? And Mutasha'imun. Hamza got a kursi of Ya. With a kasra. Ta'awana. Yata'awanu. Muta'awinu. Okay. Min ma'ani bab tafa'ala al-musharakatu. Participation. Nahu. Ta'awanat tullabu. What is the meaning of ta'awanat tullabu? They helped each other. The students helped each other. Cooperated with each other. Tasafahan nasu. What is the meaning of tasafahan nasu? The people shook hands. Okay? With each other. وَمِنْهَا, and from it, what is it? إِظْهَارُ مَا لَيْسَ فِي الْبَاطِنِ. Izhar means showing, demonstrating what is not in hakikat, in reality, in interior. Now, tamaradat talibu. What is the meaning of tamaradat talibu, Brother Muhammad? The student pretended to be sick. So it's very clear, brother. I adhar al-marada. He demonstrated a sickness. Adhar al-marada. Walaysa bihi maradun. And he has no sickness. He has no sickness. Got the idea, brothers and sisters? That's it. Now we go to the main lesson.